Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Lucinda Lambros. I'm a registered representative in Southern California. I've been receiving a lot of questions lately about tax-free retirement income with a Roth IRA, a backdoor Roth IRA, and mega backdoor Roth IRA. So today I want to talk about some of the advantages and the rules for a Roth IRA. But first, two things. One, make sure you tap on the red subscribe button below and the notification bell box next to it in order to receive future notices in your inbox for videos from my channel. Secondly, understand that this video is for general informational purposes only and is not intended to provide or be a substitute for specific professional, financial, tax, or legal advice, nor is it a recommendation for any individual. So why all the questions about tax-free retirement income with a Roth IRA, you ask? Well, I think a lot of us can agree that we are experiencing some of the lowest tax rates we may see for years to come. And so is it advantageous for you to take advantage of these low tax rates now versus higher tax rates possibly in retirement years? So let's talk about some of the advantages and rules of a Roth IRA. What exactly is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA is made up of after-tax contributions from earned income for tax-free growth and tax-free distributions in retirement. I'm going to say that one more time because it's all good information. A Roth IRA is made up of after-tax contributions from earned income for tax-free growth and tax-free distributions in retirement. Qualifications are based on your income, and you can find this information at www.irs.gov. But real quickly, if you're single filing your taxes and your adjusted gross income is less than $139,000, or if you're married filing jointly and your adjusted gross income is up to $206,000, then you qualify for a traditional Roth IRA. Now, the contribution limits for 2020 are $6,000. However, if you're over the age of 50, you can contribute up to $7,000. Now, these change on an annual basis, so always check with your tax advisor or your financial advisor. Let's see. Let's talk about some of the advantages for a Roth IRA. So, with a Roth IRA, you can withdraw any of your contributions tax-free at any time for any reason. However, there is a 5-year rule on any distributions for any earnings in the account, meaning you must wait 5 years before withdrawing any of the earnings in the account without penalty or taxes. So there's two components, your contributions and your earnings on those contributions. Your contributions you can take out at any time for any reason. The earnings on the contributions, those are the ones that have the 5-year rule and the hold period. Now, another advantage for the Roth IRA is that you can leave your money in your account for as long as you live. And there are no required minimum distributions for any amount at any time. Required minimum distributions are also referred to as RMDs. Earlier I had mentioned something about a backdoor Roth IRA. And this is typically used for people that don't meet the income limits for a regular Roth IRA. So how does this work? So a backdoor Roth IRA is made up of after-tax contributions to a traditional IRA account, then converting that amount to a Roth IRA. Then finally, I also mentioned the mega backdoor Roth IRA. Now, this can only be used when an employer's 401k plan allows for after-tax non-Roth contributions. So real quickly, let's talk about the contribution limits for 401k. In the year 2020, those limits are $19,500 unless you're over the age of 50, which then you can contribute up to $26,000. And again, you can find this information at www.irs.gov. Now, once you meet that maximum contribution limit for your 401k, you are allowed an additional after-tax non-Roth contribution of $37,500. And of course, this is something your employer plan has to offer to you. So you can check with your HR, your benefit department, and see if your 401k does indeed have that part to the plan. The chances are good that your plan offers this. A survey by consulting firm Willis Towers Watson says up to 43% of the plans now offer this benefit. So if you'd like additional information or would like to chat about some tax-free retirement income with a Roth IRA, I will leave my contact information below. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.